Good morning. I got a question for you. What time is it? It's tool time. I got a few projects here, so let's get started. I got to put my bid in. All right, we're ready to go. Oops. It seems stuck. All right, there we go. Now then, I need, where are they? Well, I just had them. Where did they go? Oh, there they are. So, hex key set. Let me show you what I'm going to do with this. And get the right size, and I'm going to take this screen off of this Maxx Air Fan, and use this hex key to loosen this screw here. I got the wrong size. Let's get the right size. And take this fan out. And the reason I'm going to take this fan out, I'm going to take it and wash it. That's how you clean these things. And then I'll take my little vacuum cleaner and vacuum up in here. So let me go wash this and I'll get right back with you. You don't have to watch me wash the screen. Y'all know how to do that. So I'm just going to go wash it. I'm going to lay them both out in the sun to dry while I'm doing other projects. Now that I have my screen and my fan washed, I'm going to take my little vacuum cleaner, vacuum out the inside of this. Okay. Now that I have it vacuumed out, I'm just going to take some vinegar water and wipe it down. Okay, so my fan is clean. And we're going to put it back in. You just slip it on the bar there and tighten your set screw. Whee! Alright, and then you put your screen back on. Sometimes I don't want to turn on there. There we go. Just stick your frame back up in there. And screw it back in. Nice and clean.